This video is about the Andersen 400 series double-hung windows, which are available in the Hudson Valley region from Roberts, your local Andersen Certified Contractor. Qualifying as an Andersen Certified Contractor means we are expertly trained to install the wide range of Andersen windows and entry door products. We will work with you in selecting the right Andersen products for your upcoming projects. Consumer Reports gives the Andersen 400 series casement and double-hung windows excellent ratings. Windows from the 400 series are Andersen's most popular products. They offer a classic blend of engineering and craftsmanship, making them durable and long-lasting. Watch the following video for more information.
The Andersen 400 series double hung is our best-selling double hung window. Both the top and bottom sash operate for increased ventilation, and both sashes tilt in for easy cleaning inside your home. The compression JAMB liners ensure a constant seal, giving you protection from the elements. Made of wood covered with a vinyl exterior, the window is low maintenance and durable. With standard and custom sizes, 7 interior and exterior colors, 2 hardware styles, 12 hardware finishes, and many other accessory options, the Andersen 400 series double hung window gives you the opportunity to design the perfect window for your home. Beyond its design flexibility, the 400 series features high-performance glass and long-lasting, weather-tight protection, keeping your home safe. The 400 series double-hung window is designed for easy installation with flexible JAMB liners and a factory-applied rigid vinyl nailing flange. There's no wonder the Andersen 400 series is the window contractors trust most.